Hi beauty lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be glamming our beautiful model Hilary with affordable but good quality makeup products from African brands. As always, I start by cleaning her face with micellar water. While that's drying, I carve out her brows to give her a good brow structure. Then clean the fallout from the brows. Hydrate her lips with a lip balm. Then next I'll be using the Mismetics moisture portion to moisturize her skin. It's one of my best moisturizers because it's so hydrating and leaves a radiant primer. I'll be using the Rimmel London matte primer. She has kind of a combination skin. She's oily in the T-zones, so I'll be going in with the second primer, the Zaron oil free matte primer. The forehead, the nose, areas where she easily gets oily. This helps buy time because we can't cheat nature. She'll obviously get oily at one point, but it won't be. For foundation, I'll be going in with V Beauty in the shade Angel. It's such an amazing foundation. I feel it's a perfect dupe for the NARS. If you know NARS and you've used V Beauty, you should know what I'm talking about. For contouring, I'll be going in with the deeper shade of foundation, still V Beauty, which I will apply on the jawline, forehead, and the basically nose. All the areas I wish to be contoured. Then blend with my same beauty blender. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That way I know you enjoy and appreciate my content. I would also like to know your thoughts, so don't forget to ask us questions. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below. After liquid contouring, I'll be moving on to concealer. This concealer is just amazing. Like, it does not even have the hype it deserves. It's so stunning and easy to blend. It's the Avo concealer in the shade 30. We just blend that on the forehead, the bridge of the nose, the chin, and under the eyes. To set that concealer in place, I'll be using the Miracle powder in the shade Cinnamon. Please, we are setting, we are not baking yet, so I'll be doing light tapping motion with my same beauty blender till all my concealer is really mattified. To further sculpt and bronze the face, I'll be going in with this Annie's Beauty palette. It's normally an eyeshadow palette, but with makeup you have to be creative. I use it for everything. I love this palette so much. It's so beautiful for dark skin, and it's so affordable. It leaves no fallouts. To bake the face, I'll be going in with my Miracle powder in the shade Cinnamon and a triangular sponge, which I'll just use to bake and sculpt the face in areas. Moving on to the brows, I'll just brush them with my Got2b gel, then let it set and dry. While I move on to eyeshadow, I always start by priming my lids with an eyeshadow primer or concealer to make my colors pop and last longer. The same eyeshadow palette I used earlier, I'll be going in with the shade Coffee, which I'll just blend into the crease while pulling it outward to give it the cat eye effect. The second shade, which is the Ebony from the same palette, I'll just be placing it in the outer corners, then I'll pull in to like create a crease line along that her crease area. Then further deepen it with a little bit of black. Once that's well blended, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of concealer on the mobile part of the lid, so my next colors can hold perfectly well. The palette I'll be using is from Annie's Beauty. It's called Drama Queen, so let's bring a little bit of drama to this look. I'll be mixing the gold and green from the palette. Their palettes are amazing. Annie's Beauty, if you're watching this, I love your palettes. No fallouts, nothing. Each palette is special and creative. For liner, I'll be going in with the Tehila gel liner. It's one of the blackest liners I've used. And for eyelashes, I'll be picking a pair from this palette. I'll be choosing something with a little bit of drama because she has really beautiful eyes, and to make that pop, we need something a little bit visible. Thanks for watching this far. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do well to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. So for my brows, I'll just outline the bottom and the top with the brow gel. I can't recall the shade rightly, but I think I used Coffee from the Adventure Brow Pomade to outline and fill in the brows. I started filling in the brows from the tail, making it deeper at the tail, then really light. To clean my brows and give it more definition, I'll be going in with my Avo concealer in the shade 30 and 60 because I don't want it to be too clear and mess my shadow work. Go in with the light hand and a little bit of concealer so I don't ruin my shadows. To finish that up, I use my brush I initially used for my shadow base to just blend that concealer and the shadow base so there are no harsh lines. So far our model is already looking really nice, so I just clean up the lip mask, then go in with a deep brown lip liner to outline line her lips. For lipstick, we're going for something nude, so I'll just be using these 2 pink shades. And with the lip applicator, I'll just blend my lipstick from the middle outward to blend with that pencil. Our mother was hungry, so she took an ice cream break from the best ice cream in town. It's called Ferris Ice. After her ice cream break, we just applied gloss because we love gloss here, and gloss always makes everything to look better. So far, everything is beginning to really tie together, so we'll just move on to cleaning the excess powders under the eyes and everywhere else. To set my face, I'll be using the Beckham Ageless Matte Sweat Block Fix Spray. Then dry everything up with a hand fan. Once that's well dried, I'll be moving on to blush. I'll be applying this baby shade pink blush on the high part of her cheekbones, on the nose. Then to highlight the face, I'll be going in with my Tehila highlighting palette. It's equally a blush I'll be applying on the highest part of her cheekbones, the tip of the nose. Then lock everything in with the So Pro Seal-It Fixing Spray. It's such an amazing spray. It keeps your makeup locked in for hours, like hours. Then a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes. And with that, we are basically at the end of this video. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming contents, and don't hesitate to drop a comment or leave suggestions or propose what you would like to see next. Until then, ciao ciao.